Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. The history of search engines is quite fascinating, and while it may not be entirely accurate to say that a shell script became the world's first search engine, there are key developments in the early days of search technology that involved simple scripts and indexing methods. Overview of search engines. The first search engines were developed in the early 1990s, primarily to index the rapidly growing number of websites. One of the earliest search engines was Archie, created in 1990, which indexed FTP archives to allow users to find specific files. However, it didn't use a shell script, it used a more complex system. The role of shell scripts in early search technologies. Shell scripts are often used to automate tasks in Unix-like operating systems, and they can be utilized for a variety of purposes, including data processing, file management, and web crawling. In the context of search engines, simple scripts could be used to gather and index information from the web. Example, building a simple search engine using shell scripts. While modern search engines are complex systems involving sophisticated algorithms and vast infrastructure, we can create a very basic prototype of a search engine using shell scripts. This example will demonstrate how to crawl a set of web pages, extract text, and allow users to search through that text. Step 1. Set up your environment. Make sure you have a Unix-like environment with tools like curl, grep, and awk installed. Step 2. Create a simple crawler. We'll write a shell script that crawls a list of URLs and saves the content to local files. Bash /bin/bash. Create a directory to store crawled pages. mkdirp crawled_pages. List of URLs to crawl. URLs equals http://example.com http://example.org. Crawl each URL. For URL in $URLs at, do. Use curl to fetch the page content and save it to a file. File name equals $base name $URL.html. Curl s $URL crawled_pages / $file name. Done. Echo crawling completed. Step 3. Extract text from crawled pages. You can process the HTML files to extract plain text. This is a very basic approach using grep and sed. Bash /bin/bash. Directory containing crawled pages. Input_dir equals crawled_pages. Output_file equals index.txt. Clear or create the index file. $output_file. Extract text from each HTML file. For file in $input_dir/star.html, do. Use grep and sed to extract text. Grep op $p $file sed s ****g $output_file. Done. Echo text extraction completed. Indexed in $output_file. Step 4. Implement a simple search function. Now, let's create a simple search functionality that allows users to search the indexed text. Bash /bin/bash. Search function. Search_index. Local query equals $1. Grep I $query index.txt. Check if user has provided a search term. If $eq 0, then echo usage, $0 search term. Exit 1. Fi. Perform the search. Search_index $1. How it works. 1. Crawling. The first script crawls a predefined list of URLs and saves the HTML content to local files. 2. Text extraction. The second script processes these HTML files to extract text content, ignoring HTML tags, and saves it to an index file. 3. Searching. The third script allows users to search the indexed content by querying the text. Conclusion. This tutorial provides a simple overview of how you might create a basic search engine using shell scripts. While this example is rudimentary and would not scale well, it highlights the principles of crawling, indexing, and searching. Modern search engines use much more advanced techniques, including distributed systems, machine learning, and complex algorithms to rank search results.